Hi, this is Bob Freeman with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Sea Ray 2022 320 Dancer. What an incredible boat this is. It does everything very, very well. It's got a lot of really neat features on it. It's powered by the Trip 250 Mercs. Phenomenal motors, very quiet, very little vibration. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Sundancer. It'll start at the back of the boat. You've got some really nice storage. You've got sea deck back on the swim platform, but good storage in the back. And as I move in, you've got nice L-shaped seating, very large. You've got a beautiful teak table, real teak on it. And then on this side, you've got a little galley set up, so you've got storage. So you can keep all kinds of different things in there. It's self-draining. You can actually even ice that down if you want. Nice sink. You've got AC up on the Helm as well. You've got a refrigerator with a freezer. So you can keep a half a bag of ice up there for your cocktails. Another opposing seating, and this particular one is forward facing this way, and then you can lounge facing the back. So really comfortable setup where you can put almost a 360 seating area for quite a few people. We move up to the Helm area. You've got two Simrads, recessed, beautifully designed, and just a very sharp, crisp, clean dash. The Fusion stereo, you've got the trim tabs on it, and then the spotlight and the digital throttle and shift, and then you've got the joystick. The joystick, I can do anything with this boat. I can go move it sideways, goes perfectly sideways, any direction I want, any conditions. I can get it in any slip, anytime, so it's unbelievable. Another feature that it has, it's got the sky hook. Like if I'm waiting for a marina or a restaurant slip assignment and they're full, I can just hit the button, it'll lock me in with the GPS. I can just sit there and relax. I can talk to everybody for a little while we're waiting. When it's all ready to go, I just hit it, and then in I go with the joystick, move it right in. Thirdly, it's got the auto heading, and basically it's a point and shoot. So you point at the end of the day, I'll point the bow at the sunset. Nice glass of wine out front. The motors are keeping you exactly in the same spot, and you don't even hear them. They're that quiet. So very nice feature here. Then this particular boat's got a nice cabin. I'm going to slide down. So this is set up as a sleeping area right now. So you've got, it's a V-shaped berth with a TV in it, and so it's very comfortable in here. A lot of times you just put on a little roll of memory foam. It makes it a little bit more comfortable. Or you can remove the center cushion, and it's a table that comes up. So it's a really nice dining area. You can sit 4, 5, sometimes 6 people around it for eating and cocktails and hors d'oeuvres and all that stuff there. You've got a head. So it's a stand-up head, which is really nice. You've got a handheld sprayer there, so it doubles as a shower, and you can rinse yourself off, and it's got hot water as well, so it's a really nice setup, and plenty of headroom in there as well. And lastly, you've got the mid cabin, which is 2 separate bunks, and it's actually very large back there, and you can convert that. They each slide into each other, and you can make it one large bed. We've had 4 people comfortably in the back. Got a refrigerator with another freezer, so that's 2 fridges and 2 freezers. Little microwave, so you can heat up stuff. So very nice for a weekend trip. As I move to the bow, Sea Ray did something that I've been selling Sea Rays since 2004. The bow area, we'd throw a sun pad out there, not all that comfortable. If I got on plane, I wouldn't let anybody ride out here for fear that they would go off, over the side. But now they've recessed it in as part of the boat. Really comfortable. Lounges, armrests, drink holders, stereo controls, speakers, you name it. They've converted this into a very usable space and one of the most comfortable spaces on the boat. You've got rails around the front for security-wise and everything else. You've got a spotlight on the boat. The boat is a great weekender, and you can take some good-sized trips with it. And if you've got any questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.